Hey guys, this is Alexis, Sophie Leather. Just a quick video. I'm going to be making 2 bags out of this leather. It's going to be very similar to these bags, and I want to invite you to my Instagram channel. The reason why is because I'm going to document a lot of this on my Instagram stories. Okay, so links in the description for my Instagram. So I'm going to make 2 different bags. One's going to be the gray with the tan interior. One's going to be the navy with the tan interior and some tan accents along the bag. For those that are wondering, this is Metropolitan leather that I get from the UK, and I just really love this leather. I love the feel, I love the wear, and it takes a little bit to get here because they have to ship it, they have to split it to the right thickness that I like. All right, that's all I got for you guys. I don't have time to make full videos on these bags, but it's very similar to my briefcase, with the exception it doesn't have the storm flap and it has shorter shoulder straps. So if you're interested in building this, you could modify my briefcase build. I have a pattern, a template for that. But I'm going to go ahead and document this on my stories on Instagram. So links in the description. Thank you very much. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye.